Here are your top most profitable affiliate marketing niches for 2025. Now, affiliate marketing continues to evolve, and in 2025 is shaping up to be a year of big opportunities. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, choosing the right niche is key to unlocking long-term passive income. In this guide, I'm going to break down 10 of the most profitable affiliate marketing niches for 2025 based on current trends, consumer demand, and revenue potential. And don't forget, if you are ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, then make sure you grab my free resource, the Affiliate Profit Formula, where I will reveal the 5 proven formulas for affiliate marketing success. So let's get straight into the list of 10 most profitable niches. Now, the first one is AI and automation tools. Everyone from solo entrepreneurs to Fortune 500s are integrating AI into their workflows. Tools like chatbots, content generators, AI SEO tools, and automation platforms are in high demand. Some of the products you could promote could be AI copywriting software such as Jasper and Copy.ai, AI-powered CRMs and marketing platforms, workflow automation tools such as Zapier. So the second one we're looking at is health and wellness. Now with this, obviously you would need to probably niche down a bit. Obviously it's quite a broad category, this one, but it's an evergreen niche which has exploded with sub-niches like biohacking, mental health, and functioning fitness. Consumers are investing heavily in health optimization. Now, some of the top sub-niches could be gut health supplements, wearable fitness tech, and wellness retreats and coaching. Now, number 3 is remote work and freelancing. Now, the remote work revolution isn't slowing down. Digital nomads, freelancers, and hybrid workers are all looking for tools, training, and support. So some of the affiliate ideas you could have co-working platforms, you could have freelancing course platforms such as Skillshare and Udemy, and you could have ergonomic gear and productivity apps. Now, number 4 on our list is personal finance and investing. As inflation and economic uncertainty persists, more people are turning to finance blogs, YouTube channels, and TikToks for advice. So what you could promote in this niche could be budgeting apps, robo-advisors, and also crypto wallets and trading platforms. Number 5 is green and sustainable living. Climate conscious consumers are spending more on ethical and eco-friendly alternatives, from clothing to home goods. So the affiliate winners in this category could be sustainable fashion brands, solar powered kits, and eco subscription boxes. Okay, so we're halfway through, and obviously if you're liking this, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and obviously subscribe to the channel where you can actually get notified when more videos are released. Okay, let's continue now then on to number 6, which is pet products and pet care. Now, pet owners spend billions annually on food, accessories, supplements, and even pet insurance. Emotional spending equals high conversion rates. And these are the sort of things that convert really well. Smart pet tech, premium pet food and subscriptions, and online vet services. So number 7 is online education and e-learning. Upskilling is the name of the game in today's job market. Courses, boot camps, and certifications are booming, especially in the tech and business areas. So you could promote in here language learning apps, coding boot camps, and personal development memberships. So number 8 is digital products and creator tools. Creators are investing in everything from website templates to editing software and email platforms. Top recommendations in this could be funnel builders such as System.io or even Mega Builders, Canva Pro and video editing suites, and also printables and PLR products and digital downloads. So number 9 is travel and adventure. Travel is back with a vengeance, but it's more experience driven than ever. Think van life, remote getaways, and the luxury off-grid travel. So affiliate opportunities could be digital nomad gear, travel, credit cards and insurance, workation retreats. Can say the final one on our list is still in the top 10, and that's dating and relationship advice. Emotional triggers again equals high conversions. Relationship and dating niches are constantly high performers, especially with high ticket coaching offers and private communities. So what works well is dating apps with affiliate programs, relationships, ebooks and coaching. How to get your ex back funnels, yes, they still work. So there's the breakdown of our 10 most profitable affiliate marketing niches for 2025. And don't forget to get your free guide here, my affiliate profit formula, that will help you start your business and scale it into something that could be a full-time income. Okay, I trust you found this video useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.